Hey everyone, in this demo I'll show you how to customize currency formats in NetSuite. You can adjust the formats for the currencies used in your account at the company level, per currency and per customer record. If you don't have multiple currencies on your NetSuite account, you can change the format by going to Setup, Company, and then in Setup Task you will see company information. On the contrary, if you have multiple currencies enabled, you would go into List, Accounting, and Currencies. You click the name of the currency you want to edit, for example this USD one, and then you will see all the fields. Before I show you, please like this video. Thank you. On the right hand side you can see the override currency format. So I will check the checkbox. Then you can see you can change the symbol. For example, my symbol is $2. So now you can see here it shows $2, and then you can choose the symbol placement before the number or after the number. Please note the selected symbol position appears only on transaction records, not on reports. That's how you customize currency formats in NetSuite. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching.